Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys infinix phone display and brightness setting, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to change screen refresh rate. Friends, we want to change guys your screen refresh rate. So guys, how to change screen refresh rate today friends I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. Friend, first open your phone setting to change your screen refresh rate on infinix phone. After on phone setting friend, first you can see guys your display and brightness setting is here. So just click on display and brightness. First friends, you can see your adaptive brightness, means auto brightness. So guys, when you will on your auto brightness, adaptive brightness, so guys your brightness will increase and decrease automatic on your infinix phone. So guys we will off it, and guys first we will increase brightness. Second friends, you can see your eye care setting, means your eyes protection mode. So friends, you want to on your eyes protection, so you should on at night when you use your phone at night. So you should on afternoon guys, it make is it this make it easy to look at screen. So guys afterwards you can look at on your screen easily at night. So guys, come back friends, you can see dark theme, you can on your dark theme from here. So friends, you can see background will dark. So guys we will off it. Screen timeout you want to change, so you can change from here. So friends, you can see your screen refresh rate setting is here. So guys click on screen refresh rate. Friends, you can see auto switch refresh rate. So guys we will change into 60 zh screen refresh rate. So friends, you can see screen will smooth, and guys when you click on this 90, friends you can see for smoother animation. So friends 90 zh friends easily friends you can use your infinix phone screen. Friends, you can see. So like that guys, you can change guys your screen refresh rate. Friends, you can see screen refresh rate, it's very smooth. So like that guys, we can change screen refresh rate on infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.